How to change name on Bumble. So for that, open up your Bumble app, and then on the bottom left corner you will have a profile icon which is looking like a person. Click on it. Now you have your profile, and if you scroll down here, then you will not find an option which says change name. So what you have to do is, on the upper right corner you have settings. Click on settings, and then if you scroll down you will have an option which says delete account. So the only way you can change your name on Bumble is to delete your account and then create a new one. So click on delete account, and then it is asking us to type delete and then confirm it. That's it. You have deleted your account. So now go on and again create your account with a new name. That's it. That's how you change your name on Bumble. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.